Hi everyone, we're going to do something with the heart shape for this lesson, and this is what it's going to look like, something like this. And here is what you're going to need. Of course, paints. You're not going to be able to see these paints in the camera. A square piece of paper, your paintbrushes and water, and a piece of toweling if you need it. All right, the first thing we are going to do is take this square and just fold it in half. Because a heart shape is symmetrical, looks the same on both sides. So this method of painting is also printing. Painting, we paint back and forth. Printing, we lay on top and we make another. So we're going to first make the heart. We're only going to be painting on one side. You can start with any warm color you like. I'm going to start with magenta. So I'm going to come here on this half, and I'm going to make a nice big heart shape. You want to make it big. You don't want to go right to the edge. And now when the paint is still nice and wet, you're going to fold this over and you're going to print. And just rub it gently and it's going to come out on the other side. So the printed side doesn't come out as dark as the first side. That's okay. So now that we have our heart shape, we're going to go on to fill in. And all I'm going to do is work on this side. And I'm just going to dab some color, some Valentine-ish colors. Changing, when you want to change color, make sure that you clean your brush, of course. And clean that brush off, and there's some yellow. Yellow is a warm color, and when it mixes with the red, it makes orange. So, I mean, orange is not necessarily a Valentine's color, but it's a warm color, and it'll still look nice with our painting. So you want to make sure that your paint stays nice and wet. So, I think that's pretty good. I'm going to fold this edge over and I'm going to just press where I painted and open it up. There you go. So it didn't really print there, so I'm going to make sure that I go back on that line and add a little bit more paint. And I can also maybe go in with some more yellow. I kind of like the yellow and orange in there, and fold it again. And I'm going to focus down on that crease and then open it back up. There, much better. I'm not going to worry about this because we're not done with this picture, so I'm going to go on to the background now. So we use primarily the warm colors for the heart. For the background, we're going to use the cool colors like purple and blues and greens. So I'm going to start with the purple. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to dab on that color. Hopefully, yep, it's in my camera. Clean my brush because I want to go into the blue now. And just dab that. So the dabbing helps to keep the paint still wet. And we have a dark blue in there as well. And then I'm going to just turn my page. I was going to fold it, but I'm going to continue on. Here. I know I'm trying to go quick in the video so it doesn't take forever, but I'm sure you are getting the idea of what I'm doing here. Now the only cool color that I have not added is green. Of course, if you want to, you can. Maybe I will add it in a few minutes just to see what happens. Add a little bit more purple. All right, I'm going to fold it, and I'm going to focus my pressing to the outside where I just painted. And then open up. Oh, that looks pretty cool. I like it. I'm not going to be worried about this. I kind of like it that it's not as solid as the other side. I can go back, add some more. probably going back by that crease line. And then fold it one last time. Oops, I think I misfolded. There. All right, that's it. There is one other step that we're going to do, but we have to wait, actually 2 steps. We have to wait for this painting to be dry so we can add this black line and some white highlights. All right, that's it.